Welcome back, everyone. This video is to demonstrate my typical second meal of the day. With every portion of the meal, I tend to eat almonds before I take in the next big item, the second meal. I like to eat almonds with this meal because they're a good lipid. Secondly, they strengthen the muscles in the mouth and the jaw, which will give you a better looking appearance. Another point of this meal, it's easy to bag up and take to work. You eat it while you're standing. Typically, eating while you're standing is healthier. It helps with the digestive system. When you're eating, you should be tucking your chin in, giving yourself a double chin and bringing the food to your mouth, not your mouth or body to the food. Try and strengthen out your neck whenever possible. Good posture. This is demonstrating that I typically eat either tuna or salmon as my protein for this meal. The salmon comes in a big container, which I put into a Tupperware container to hold it. Often go to Aldi for my tuna. It's pretty cheap, some of the cheapest you'll get. I like these packet versions over the cans because they're easy to travel with, easy to eat while you're working. As I said, you should bring the food to your mouth. I know I'm getting a little bit of techno neck looking down right now. I need to improve my posture. Always try to get better every day. Trying to get as much of the packet as I can out. Scrape up the sides. Next, I take water to clear the packet out. Generally, I fill it up with a little bit of water, shake it up, get every little bit moving. So that way, after I eat the yogurt, I can give the yogurt cup to the dogs so they can clean it out. And then I have a nice clean piece of aluminum and plastic that can easily go in the recycling. While I'm still chewing, I tend to still do chores like the dishes, etc. If I'm eating while I'm next to the laundry, I'll often do the laundry or full laundry while I'm eating. I get the whole milk Greek yogurt. Yogurt is good for you, and I tend to prefer things with full fat content because I don't know specifically what's in the other stuff to keep it tasting good. Instead of having to worry about the research, I just focus on eating whole foods. If you do want to eat a meal a little bit faster, you can just drink some water and swallow it down bigger pieces. It's a trick they teach in the military. So there I'm demonstrating that you should have your chin pulled back for the mealtime exercise. Check out Orthotropics channel with Dr. Mike Mew and his father John Mew for more information on how to improve your facial aesthetic. Some things they don't talk about is widening your jaw with your thumbs, a practice that is supposed to be done like 4 times a day. You're not going to see great results or incredible results when you're over the age of 20, but it's nothing wrong with trying to get a little bit better every day. Get rid of the foil. Dump the tuna packet in the yogurt container and setting it for the dog. And she's going to lap that right up. Here, another handful of almonds. Clean the kiwis. Kiwi is a superfood. It has so many nutrients per calorie beyond most other fruits or vegetables even. So it should definitely be a part of your diet. Here are a few more dishes while I'm chewing the almonds probably. Try and chew your food completely. Work on the muscles that deal with mastication. Then eat the kiwis over the sink, so that way if they're extra juicy and there's any splatter, it goes into the sink. Easier to clean. Eat kiwis whole. Isla goes all the way to the hard bits. I don't actually eat those, but definitely eat the skins. Just eat them like an apple or a peach. Whole lot of fiber, whole lot of good nutrients in that skin. It's very easy. It makes it easier. You don't have to carry a fork or a spoon around. Just bite into it. First time you might be nervous, but as long as it's wet, those hairs don't actually affect you, and then you just bite into it and it's good to go. And that's it. That's the second meal of the day already in my belly. Not even an hour since I ate the first one.